How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a 67 Chevelle SS 396 done in Bolero Red, black interior. This is a 138 true SS VIN car. See, the grille and bumpers all look nice on the car. Looks nice down the sides. I tell you, I really like the SS hood on these cars. Really cool looking. It's a little cold out today, so you'll have to forgive us. It's only about 23 degrees right now. This car does retain most of its original body panels, original floors. Got power disc brakes up front. Got brand new Cooper Cobra tires and Torx on it, 15-inch. This is a period correct 396. So the doors look real good. Looks like they've replaced a lot of the interior in the car. Got an AM/FM cassette radio in it. The headliner looks good. It's got your front and rear seat belts. And your factory buckets, your factory center console. It's got the 3-spokes SS wheel in it. The jambs look nice. This is a real nice driver cruiser car, guys. Go out and have a lot of fun with it. It's got the original jack, spare. Just a nice car, guys. Again, you'll have to forgive us a little bit. It's cold out today. We haven't had a chance to video or shoot photos of any of the cars in the last couple of weeks due to the weather. We're just going to try to get caught up today. You can check out our full inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Again, this is a 138 VIN Chevelle with the period correct 396. I believe the date on the motor is a late 66. It's got the aluminum intake, got a Holley. Fire's right up. Got a nice set of ceramic coated headers. Super nice car, just a good cruiser. Go out and enjoy it, have fun with it. Got a Flowmaster exhaust. Got a nice little cam in it. It's a nice little car, guys. Get in the thing, go cruise it, enjoy it, have some fun. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.